Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s du. You got about the s after we do first derivative. dv, we have secant of 3s squared ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to 1 over 3 tan 3s. Now, we have u multiplied by v, so we have 1 over 3s with tan 3s minus du multiplied by v, so we have 1 over 3, and we have the integration tan 3s ds. About this one, we change sine 3s over cosine 3s. The integration of negative with sine 3s over cosine 3s, you will have about positive in here, and we have 1 over 3 ln of the absolute value of cosine 3s, and we put about c. Number 3, you got about 1 over 9. And now we can simplify just like this. And we can now do about factorization by 1 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.